There are things that I thought were set on a straight path, that I had to follow some sort of structured destiny that's set for me. But it's not. As time went on, I realized that you shouldn't force answers to come your way. Just like you can't force anything, really. The universe has no fixed direction. Life itself has no fixed path. You don't know what will meet you. All you do is continue walking.
Pinipili kita, malagas man ang huling hibla. At kung ang alaala'y mabubura, panata kong hanapin ka.
And that's where I realized getting answers aren't got from winning a race. Answers sometimes cannot be seen. Sometimes you just have to slow down, take your time, and breathe.
Pinipili kita, malagas man ang huling hibla.
Because you just might know it, that the answers you're seeking are already